Can-Am Gen-3 Outlander owners, your chambered muffler has arrived. So we saw a lot of guys race to the market with like pass-through mufflers, and they're using the same muffler on like 40 different machines, and they all sound the same, they look the same, and they all perform equally horrible. Well, we wanted to build a model-specific muffler for the Can-Am Outlander. It's for a 1000cc naturally aspirated motor that makes, or is capable of making, around 130 horsepower max. This car doesn't make that much, but we wanted to be able to flow that much. So this is a 2.5-inch inlet. So this is a 3/4 exhaust. This is replacing obviously everything you can see all the way up to them spring hooks. We're back. It's a one-piece exhaust. Bolts on super easy, super clean. Factory everything. Factory O2 location. We're using the factory isolated hangers. Factory tip, which means you can run a factory spark arrestor in there as well. Fits with the factory bumper. And we wanted that clean OEM look using a 304 stainless exhaust. Fully mechanically chambered muffler to that deep sound that all the Can-Am Outlander guys seek. So we kept these super affordable. They're readily available on rpmsidebyside.com. Here's the sound clips. Go get yourself one.